How do you guys make money?
What is a wallet?
This is a special event for us. This is a fifth one.
No recording at all.
The important part is like knowing that you're not alone.
Keeping the people poor is also a strategy.
Online is great. We all know that from Zooms and all that bullshit that happened for the past few years. Meeting in person is different.
Don't go to no-coiners. Don't establish a meetup with your friends.
It's hard to generalize mining because a lot of miners have a secret sauce.
That's the key.